Dear student, today we continue our chapter number 2 is matter around us pure with the topic concentration of a solution. For the clarification of the topic concentration of a solution, there are given two beakers, that is A and B, both containing the sugar molecules, but one has less molecules and other has more molecules. The solution having small amount of solute is said to have low concentration. It is known as a dilute solution. So that's why this is a dilute solution, because in this solution there are less amount of sugar molecules. In the other, the solution having a large amount of solute is said to be of a high concentration. It is known as concentrated solution. Why it is called concentrated solution? Because this contain large amount of sugar molecules. That's why they are called concentrated solution. We can now define the concentration of a solution as follows. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of the solution, means how much amount of solute particles are dissolved or mixed in a solution. That is known as the concentration of the solution. So we understand that in a solution the relative proportion of the solute and the solvent can be varied. It means that amount of solute decided that what is the concentration of the solution. Everything is depend on the amount of the solute particle, amount of the solute present in a solution. So here three terms are given, that is dilute, concentrated and saturated solution. We know that dilute solutions are those which contain less amount of solute particles. On the other hand, concentrated solution are those which contain large amount of solute particle. Now, new definition is given here. A new term is given here. That is saturated solution. The saturated solution mean that no more solute can be dissolved at that temperature is called saturated solution. For example, if an aqueous salt solution, no more salt can be dissolved at that temperature, then that salt solution will be a saturated solution. Here line is given, dilute and concentrated are comparatively term. It means that these both container contains sugar molecules, but one container contain less amount and other container contain large amount. So one is diluted and other is concentrated. So that's why they are called comparative terms. Have a look in activity 2.3. Take two beakers, 50 ml of water, one with sugar and other with salt, with continually stirring. When no more solute can be dissolved, heat the content of the beaker. Start adding the solute again. Now question arises, is the amount of salt and sugar that can be dissolved in water at a given temperature the same? My dear student, the answer is given below. At a particular temperature, a solution that has dissolved as much solute as it is capable of dissolving is said to be a saturated solution. This means that no more solute can be added at a particular temperature in a solution, and that solution is known as saturated solution. Here definition is given. In other words, when no more solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature, it is called saturated solution. So my dear student, here a new definition is given, that is amount of solute present in the saturated solution at this temperature is called its solubility. What is the meaning of solubility? How much of solute particle, how much amount of solute that is dissolved in the solution is known as its solubility. Term solubility decides that how much amount of solute is required to be the saturated solution. If the amount of solute contained in the solution is less than the saturation level, it is called an unsaturated solution. So now here, what would happen if you were to take a saturated solution at a certain temperature and cool it slowly? Answer is, after the saturation level, when it is cooled down, the particle will be drawn out from the dissolved form. Here we can infer from the above activity the different substance in a given solvent have different solubility at the same temperature. Now student, the concentration of a solution can be expressed in a number of different ways. The most common way of expressing the concentration of a solution is the percentage method. By this method we can easily find the concentration of the solution. So here are two methods are given. The first is mass by mass percentage and the second is mass by volume percentage of a solution. Both we can, by the use of both method, we can find the concentration of the solution. The first method is mass by mass percentage of method. Here, if the solution is of a solid solute dissolved in a liquid, then we consider the mass by mass percentage of a solution, calculating the concentration of the solution. But if the solution is of the liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, then we usually consider the volume percent of the solute in determining the concentration of the solution. Then we will use a second method. Let us do an example 2.1. Here, solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. It is a very simple example of concentration of the solution. The first is mass of solute. What is solute? Solute is that which is present in less amount, that is 40 gram of common salt. Next is mass of a solvent. Mass of solvent means which is present in large amount, that is 320 gram of water. So we know that solution is made up of two substance, that is solute and solvent. So we can find the mass of the solution by adding the mass of the solute and mass of the solvent, and we got 360 gram. Now we know that the formula of the mass percentage of the solution, that is equal to mass of solute and mass of a solution multiplied by 100. So we just add mass of the solute is 40 gram over mass of the solution is 360 gram multiplied by 100. So when we solve this and you get the answer, that is 11.1%. This shows the concentration in terms of the mass by mass percentage of the solution. Here there are some numerical problems for practice, so do at your home. Thank you so much.